welcome to LoveLiveSave. I'm super excited for today's couponing deal video because I don't know about you, but I love cleaning supplies couponing deals, especially when they are this low out of pocket. So these are all cleaning supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, September 16th at Dollar General. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, for tonight's question, I want you to leave me a comment down below. This is super important. I really want to hear your feedback on this. Do you have any specific couponing deals that you would like to see over the next couple of weeks? Be specific, or if there is anything that you are really needing to save up on that Dollar General sells, please leave it down below in the comments. I take it really seriously that I make sure I include items that you guys actually really need for your house. So I would love to be able to help you out. So let me know down below in the comments. And make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members too that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there so I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. So let's get started with these deals. Now, starting right out of the gate, we're going to start with one of my favorite couponing deals of the entire week, because these are all of some of my favorite cleaning supplies that make my life infinitely more easier. So if you want to stock up on these, this is a great low out-of-pocket deal. So grab 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills, 2 Gain Power Blast sprays, and 2 of the Mr. Clean cleaners. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $9.52 plus tax for a 64% off savings. Now, the awesome thing about this $4 off of 2 Mr. Clean coupon, other than it's a super high value coupon, is it applies to multiple Mr. Clean products. Not only does it apply to the Mr. Clean cleaners, it also applies to the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays and the Mr. Clean Magic erasers. So definitely stock up. Do not let this coupon expire. It's a fantastic coupon. So for this next deal, grab 1 bottle of Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, 2 of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, and 2 Dawn Power Wash refills. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $11.46 plus tax for a 56% off savings. Now, I know I mentioned this in one of my previous deal videos over the last couple weeks. I can't honestly remember when it was, but if you buy this Mr. Clean Clean Freak spray, I highly encourage you to save the bottle when you're done, especially if you end up getting more of the Mr. Clean Cleaner or any of your other favorite cleaning concentrates. I peel off the outer label of the bottle, rinse it out, and it is a great bottle because it has that continuous spray on it. Whew, it makes my life so much easier. I have multiples of these bottles all over my house, no joke. That continuous spray is especially handy if you have any issues with carpal tunnel like I do. So you don't have to keep pumping, it's just one pump and it just continuous sprays. Such an awesome product. When I'm doing my cleaning supplies couponing deals, I love working in these Scrub Daddy Mommy Sponges. In case you didn't know, Dollar General does sell several of the thinner, I'll say, Scrub Daddy Mommy and Daddy sponges, as well as some of the Scour Daddy sponges, I believe. and I want to say one other one. So it's a great place to stock up when you're in a pinch to get these awesome sponges. So for this next deal, grab one Scrub Mommy sponge, a 5-count pack of the Eric plug-in refills, one Dawn Power Wash kit, a Eric oil warmer, and one Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $8.20 plus tax for a fabulous 70% off savings. Not bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the Scrub Mommy sponge. See what I'm saying? I mean, we would love some coupons, but we absolutely don't need it to score a great deal. Now, I have mentioned this also in a couple of my previous deal videos, that if you are a fan of Scrub Mommy or Scrub Daddy sponges, did you know if you go on their website, they actually do a recycling program. If you mail them back your deteriorating sponges, the ones that have fallen apart and aren't working nearly as well, if you mail it to them, they will actually give you dollars off your purchase of your next sponge. I think this is an awesome program. Moving on. For our next deal, we have a fabulous dish cleaning supplies couponing deal. So grab one tub of the Cascade Platinum dishwasher tablets, one Finish jet dry cleaner, and 2 of the Gain Power Blast sprays. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $13.21 plus tax for a 49% off savings. Now, with cold and flu cootie season right around the corner, an awesome product to stock up on is definitely bleach, especially if you have young kiddos, so you can disinfect our toys. And we almost never have coupons for them, but this is still a great deal because we combine it with some high-value coupons like that Mr. Clean coupon. So grab one 81-ounce size bottle of Clorox bleach, one small bag of Tide Pods, a Febreze fabric refresher, 2 of the 3-count packs of Mr. Clean magic erasers, and a Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $9.65 plus tax for a 62% off savings. Now let that soak in. $6 of this couponing transaction was for the bleach, and we didn't even have a coupon for it, which means we're getting everything else basically free. This is an awesome couponing deal. I'm definitely doing this one. This week is another fabulous week to stock up on Tide products because we have several really great high-value Tide coupons. So for this next deal, grab one bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, one small bag of Tide Pods, 2 of these Crest toothpaste, and one Febreze fabric refresher. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.85 plus tax for a 59% off savings. And like the previous deal, I mean, we're paying just a smidgen more than the full retail of just the Tide Pods, Light Pods, and everything else ends up being free. See what I'm saying? This is a fabulous week to stock up on cleaning supplies. For our next deal, grab one of those big bottles of Downy fabric softener, a small bottle of Downy rinse and refresh, and 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.91 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Now, in case you didn't know, Dawn Power Wash is actually a great stain pre-treater. I use it on all of my son's clothes. It works amazing. Here's another super low out-of-pocket couponing deal to stock up on some fabulous cleaning supplies. So grab 2 of the Mr. Clean cleaners, one Febreze Unstoppable spray, one Febreze fabric refresher, and one of the 5-count packs of Eric plug-in refills. After all coupons, total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $8.70 plus tax for a 70% off savings. See what I'm saying? I'm telling you, this is our week to shine when it comes to couponing cleaning supplies. Now, when it comes to cleaning supplies, it's definitely important to stock up on the disinfectants, especially, like I said, with cold and flu cootie season almost here. We definitely don't want to be left in a pinch and having to pay full price, because what do we do here at LoveLiveSave? We sure don't pay full price for nothing. So for this next deal, grab one bag of Tide Power Pods, one 35-count tub of Lysol disinfecting wipes, and 2 of the Lysol air sanitizers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.90 plus tax for a 54% off savings. Now, if you are new to couponing and you're a little bit nervous to go to the store, because if we were all completely honest when it comes to couponing, that register fear when you're first starting out with couponing is super real. You're always anxious that the deal's not going to work out. It's going to end up higher than you expect. So I highly encourage you to start out with a more simple couponing deal that doesn't have a whole lot of pieces to it. That way you are setting yourself up for success. So if you are new, here's a great, easy, beginner-friendly couponing deal that you can do. So grab one of the Eric Essential Mist starter kits, one Febreze Unstoppable Spray, and one Medium Gain Fireworks. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $9.50 plus tax for a 63% off savings. This would be a fabulous beginner couponing deal. I would walk away so happy. Now, in case you're looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I'll have the information in both places for you for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list from week to week because I often write so many more couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this deals list will have anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. And I am super proud to tell you that not only did I break my personal record for the most amount of couponing deals that I've ever written for one individual week, I smashed that goal for you guys this week because, like I said, helping you save as much money as I possibly can means a lot to me. And this week's deals list has 170 couponing deals. Yeah, you heard that right, 170. I'm super proud of this week's deals list. I had so much fun with it. Now, this is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, you can download it to a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want because I keep all the categories of deals separated. And these all include major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking gain deals because, of course, it's Dollar General. We love our gain deals, right? We have toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care. We even have diaper deals, Tide deals, and a cheap out-of-pocket deals list. And for the first time ever, I even included a disinfectants couponing deals list because, you know, cold and flu season is coming and we got to be prepared. We don't want to get stuck having to pay full price for it, right? Because we don't pay full price here at LoveLiveSave. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Again, I'll have it down below in the comments and the video description for you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.